Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome to our channel, your ultimate travel guide for the best destinations across the globe. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic cities in the world, Las Vegas. Known for its electrifying nightlife, world-class entertainment, and incredible attractions, Vegas has something for everyone. Whether you're a thrill seeker, foodie, or just here to enjoy the lights, you're in for a treat. Stick with me as we explore the best things to do in Las Vegas, from the famous Strip to hidden gems in the city. Let's get started. Number 1. The Las Vegas Strip. Our journey starts at the heart of the city, the Las Vegas Strip. The 4-mile stretch of vibrant lights, gigantic hotels, and massive resorts is the lifeblood of this city. Whether it's day or night, there's always something happening on the Strip. This is where you'll find the world's most famous casinos, the best shows, and some of the most luxurious resorts in the world. From the Bellagio to Caesar's Palace, the Strip is home to iconic landmarks that have shaped the Vegas experience. You'll find over-the-top architecture, from Paris's Eiffel Tower to the Egyptian pyramids of the Luxor Hotel. And the best part? You don't even need to step inside the casinos to enjoy the magic of the Strip. It's a spectacle in itself. Number 2. Bellagio Fountains. No visit to Las Vegas would be complete without seeing the Bellagio Fountains. This free attraction outside the Bellagio Hotel is one of the most popular and beautiful sights in the city. Every 15 minutes during the day and every 30 minutes at night, the fountains come to life with a choreographed water show set to music. Whether it's classical music, pop hits, or movie soundtracks, the fountains put on an unforgettable performance. The water soars high into the air, and with the surrounding lights, the whole experience feels magical. If you're in the area, make sure to catch the show. It's a perfect way to take in the Vegas vibes. Number 3. Fremont Street Experience. Let's take a trip back in time to experience the Fremont Street Experience. Located in downtown Las Vegas, Fremont Street is known for its retro charm and vibrant atmosphere. It's one of the oldest parts of the city and is packed with history, from its neon lights to its vintage signs. Here, you'll find a massive LED canopy that lights up the street with mind-blowing visuals. At night, Fremont Street transforms into a giant light show that covers the entire area. It's the perfect place to walk, enjoy the energy of the street, and take in the incredible art displays overhead. Plus, Fremont Street is home to zipline adventures where you can fly above the crowds for an unforgettable view of the city below. Number 4. The Venetian Resort. If you're craving a touch of Europe right in the heart of Vegas, look no further than the Venetian Resort. This luxurious hotel mimics the architecture and beauty of Venice, Italy. Picture canals, gondolas, and even a replica of St. Mark's Square, all inside a sprawling resort. Take a romantic gondola ride through the indoor canals, with a serenading gondolier guiding you through this replica of Venice. The Venetian also boasts some of the best shopping in Las Vegas, with designer boutiques and luxury stores lining the resort. It's an experience like no other in the city. Number 5. High Roller Observation Wheel. Want the best views of the Las Vegas skyline? Head to the High Roller Observation Wheel, the world's tallest observation wheel at a whopping 550 feet. Located at the Link Promenade, this giant Ferris wheel offers panoramic views of the city and beyond. Take a ride in one of the glass-enclosed cabins and watch the city stretch out beneath you. It's the perfect spot for photos, especially when the sun sets over the Strip. Whether you go during the day or at night, the views are breathtaking. Number 6. The Neon Museum. For a trip through Vegas past, make sure to visit the Neon Museum. Also known as the Neon Boneyard, this outdoor museum houses the iconic neon signs that once graced the city's famous casinos, motels, and restaurants. As you walk through the museum, you'll get to see vintage signs that date back to the early days of Las Vegas. It's a fascinating walk through history that takes you back to the golden era of Vegas. Plus, it's an incredible spot for photos. These retro neon lights will add a vibrant touch to your travel memories. Number 7. Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area. Las Vegas isn't all about lights and casinos. If you're a nature lover, you won't want to miss Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area, just a short drive from the city. Known for its stunning red sandstone formations and scenic hiking trails, this is the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of the Strip. Whether you're into hiking, rock climbing, or just enjoying the view, Red Rock Canyon offers a peaceful retreat from the city's fast pace. And don't forget to take the Red Rock Canyon Scenic Drive, a 13-mile loop with incredible photo opportunities. Number 8. Caesar's Palace. Next up is Caesar's Palace, one of the most luxurious and iconic hotels in Las Vegas. Known for its Roman-inspired architecture and top-notch amenities, Caesar's Palace has been an integral part of the Las Vegas experience for decades. The Forum shops at Caesars are a shopper's paradise, featuring luxury boutiques, gourmet dining, and unique attractions like the Fall of Atlantis animatronic show. Whether you're here to gamble, shop, or just enjoy the opulence, Caesar's Palace is a must-visit. Number 9. Luxor Hotel and Casino. The Luxor Hotel and Casino is another Vegas landmark you can't miss. Recognized by its pyramid shape and bright light beams shining into the sky, the Luxor offers a unique Vegas experience with its Egyptian-inspired theme. Not only is the architecture impressive, but the Luxor is home to some great shows and entertainment, including Criss Angel Mindfreak and immersive exhibits like the Titanic Artifact Exhibition. It's truly one of a kind. Number 10. Stratosphere Tower. Last but certainly not least, the Stratosphere Tower. This towering landmark is one of the tallest structures in the U.S. and offers some of the best views of Las Vegas from its observation deck. While you're at the top, don't miss the thrilling sky jump, where you can leap off the tower and experience a controlled freefall. It's a must for thrill seekers looking to get their adrenaline fix while enjoying the view. There you have it, the top 10 things to do in Las Vegas. Whether you're looking to explore the city's rich history, enjoy world-class entertainment, or escape to nature, Vegas offers something for every type of traveler. Have you visited any of these amazing spots, or do you have other Vegas recommendations? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel guides and top destination videos. Until next time, safe travels, and see you in the next adventure.